Hey there, friends! Let's talk about something we all want as we get a little wiser. Staying strong, active, and independent. Maybe you've just finished a brisk walk, a yoga session, or even a light weights routine. And suddenly, your legs feel like they've run a marathon. Sound familiar? You're not alone. The secret to bouncing back faster isn't just how you move, it's what you eat afterward. Today, we're diving into 3 simple, delicious foods that'll help you recover quicker, rebuild stronger legs, and keep you doing the things you love. No fancy supplements or crazy diets, just real food, real science, and real results. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a superstar you might already love, salmon. Now I know what you're thinking. Salmon? Isn't that just for fancy dinners? But here's why it's a game changer for your legs. Salmon is packed with 2 things your muscles crave after a workout: high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. The protein repairs those tiny tears in your muscles from exercise, helping them grow stronger. And those omega-3s, they're like firefighters for inflammation. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that folks who ate omega-3 rich foods had less muscle soreness and recovered faster. Now I get it. Fresh salmon isn't always in the budget. Here's a hack. Canned salmon is just as nutritious. Mix it with avocado and a squeeze of lemon for a quick toast topper. Or toss it into a salad. My friend Linda, who's in her 60s, started adding salmon twice a week after her water aerobics class. She told me, "I used to limp for days after class. Now, I'm back on my feet the next morning." Small tweak, big payoff. Next up, a creamy, versatile favorite that does double duty for your legs. Let's talk Greek yogurt. This isn't just a breakfast food, it's a recovery powerhouse. 1 cup packs 20 grams of protein to rebuild muscle, plus probiotics to calm inflammation and keep your gut happy. But here's the kicker. Greek yogurt is also loaded with calcium, which strengthens bones, something we can't ignore after 50. Weak bones plus tired muscles equals a recipe for caution. Now, if you're lactose sensitive, no worries. Try a plant-based version like coconut or almond yogurt. Just check the label for at least 10 grams of protein per serving. Here's an easy tip. Mix Greek yogurt with frozen berries and a drizzle of honey for a post-workout parfait. Or blend it into a smoothie with spinach and a spoonful of almond butter. A viewer named Tom shared that swapping his post-walk cookie for yogurt cut his recovery time in half. "I finally feel like I'm fueling my body, not just feeding it," he said. Now let's talk carbs, the good kind. Meet sweet potatoes. After a workout, your muscles are like a drained battery. Sweet potatoes recharge them with complex carbs to restock energy stores, plus beta-carotene and potassium to fight fatigue and cramps. But here's the best part. They're incredibly forgiving. Bake a batch on Sunday, and you've got ready-to-go recovery fuel all week. Mash them into pancakes, slice them into fries, or just enjoy them roasted with a sprinkle of cinnamon. My neighbor Gary, a pickleball fanatic in his late 50s, started adding sweet potatoes to his post-game meals. "I used to need a nap after every match," he laughed. "Now, I'm the one suggesting another round." Oh, and if you're watching your blood sugar, pair sweet potatoes with a protein like chicken or eggs. It slows digestion and keeps your energy steady. So, there you have it. Salmon, Greek yogurt, and sweet potatoes. 3 simple foods that'll help you recover stronger, faster, and smarter. Remember, this isn't about perfection. Start with 1. Maybe swap your afternoon chips for sweet potato fries, or try salmon instead of chicken once a week. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which food you're excited to try. And if you found this helpful, do me a favor. Share in the comment your favorite food you go to after a workout. Hit that like button, share this with a friend, and subscribe. Together, let's keep those legs strong, steady, and ready for life's next adventure. Here's to you, because every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Keep moving, keep fueling, and I'll see you in the next video.